Hey, how you doing? And welcome to Livewire's Buy, Hold, Sell. I'm Selby, and while 2021 has been a year of many things, think lockdowns, lockdown puppies, and crazy cryptocurrencies, it's also been a year of IPOs. In fact, more than 150 companies have listed on the ASX this year, and we still have a few weeks to go. So to discuss some of the hottest IPOs from 2021, as well as two to look out for the year ahead, we're joined by Arden Jennings from Ausbil and Tobias from Wilson Asset Management. First up, we have Airtasker, which listed in March this year. Arden, I might start on you. Is it a buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, it's a hold for us. We didn't participate in the IPO. It certainly did incredibly well in the first week. I think it was up over 200%. And we thought, what have we missed? But while we liked management, we had a few reservations about the business. We thought they were probably expanding in offshore a little too quickly, and they're still going to be loss-making for the next few years. So it wasn't an opportunity that we decided to pursue for the fund, but potentially one for the watch list.
It recently reported that its gross marketplace volume was up 6.2% year on year. Tobias, over to you. Is it a buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, we think so. We think Airtasker is a buy. It's a founder-led business. I think the market's focused on the UK and the US expansion opportunity. We think the real opportunity is closer at home. If they can increase the frequency of usage on their platform from under 2 times to over 2 times, they can continue to grow, in our view, over 25% over the next 3 years. And we think that's attractive, and at the current price is a good entry point. So it's a buy for us.
Next up, we have Siteminder, which listed earlier this month. It provides online commerce solutions for hotel groups. Tobias, I'll stay on you. Is it a buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, Siteminder is a buy for us as well. We took Siteminder in the IPO. We think they can continue to gain market share globally, particularly in the mid to small segment of the hotels. Over time, they can continue to on-sell more transaction type products onto the existing customer base. So we think the growth is underestimated by the market, and so to buy.
Arden, over to you. Siteminder was seriously a hot IPO this year. Is it a buy, hold or sell?
It certainly was hot, Ali, and you can never get enough of the hot ones. It's a buy for us. We hold a position in the Ausbil funds. They are really the middle person between the hotel software and the channel partners to bring product to the customers. So we like the long-term outlook for the business. Although it is a technology stock, it's got that reopening element to it. I think the one challenging piece here post-IPO is the valuation. Expectations are probably for roughly 10% growth this year, but as we come out into the recovery, really need to see an acceleration in that growth to be much higher than that to justify the valuation. But having said that, we still like it on a long-term view, so it's a buy.
Okay, Arden, last but not least, we have DGL Group, which listed in May earlier this year and has had one of the most successful IPOs. Is it a buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, for us it's a buy, Ali. It's a high conviction position in both the Ausbil Small Cap and Ausbil Micro Cap funds. It's founder-led, established in 1999. Simon Henry, the CEO, did not sell down at the IPO. They raised for growth. We think there's a fantastic opportunity for them to continue to grow both organically and inorganically through acquisitions. We think that even if the share price has done terrifically from $1 IPO to well over $2 today, that investors haven't missed the opportunity, and it is worth doing some homework on. Simply taking the FY21 result, adding a modest amount of organic growth and the recent acquisitions that they've made publicly, then you can get earnings that are significantly above expectations from the brokers. So we think there's upgrades to come, and it certainly reminds us of some of the fantastic opportunities in our fund like Johns Lyng and Unity that have made transformational acquisitions, but it takes a while for the market to catch on. So we think it's a buy.
Just in case our viewers don't know, it provides supply chain solutions for chemical companies. Tobias, over to you. Is it a buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, so it's a buy for us as well. We like founder-led businesses, and in our view, the barriers to entry for the industry is underappreciated by the market. We think there's around $50 million of capital which they can deploy into inorganic opportunities, acquisitions that could be EPS accretive. So the growth prospects looks very bright, so it's a buy for us.
Okay, I'm really excited for this. We asked our fundies to bring along one stock that they're really excited to IPO next year. Tobias, what have you brought for us?
Yeah, so my pick for next year is a company called Packform, which is a business-to-business software solutions provider for the packaging industry in the US. It's founded by a very successful and astute businessman, with management team having very deep domain knowledge, so helping to solve the status quo in the packaging industry, which is very inefficient. The business has a really impressive growth profile and an earnings profile as well, and we think they can continue to conquer the US state by state. So it's Packform for us.
Arden, over to you. Is there an IPO in 2022 that has you excited?
Yeah, we've got one or two, and one of those would be Focus. So it was a business that's founder-led. It focuses on analytics, and it helps businesses interpret their data and display it in a meaningful way for them to improve their processes. The business has been growing around 20% on the top line. It's highly recurring with over 85% recurring revenue, very low churn, which is a great indicator of a healthy customer base and customers that want to continue using the product. They're expanding over into the US and UK with operations also in Australia, and it's profitable and cash generating, so we like it. So we're looking forward to that one to 2022.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that episode of Buy, Hold, Sell as much as I did. If you did, why not give it a like? Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're adding new content every week.